We're day hiking today. In this video, we'll show you the things we carry in our backpack to make the hike both safe and enjoyable. And a few of those things may surprise you. For any hike, you need a properly sized backpack that fits comfortably. We're using a Mystery Ranch Coulee 40. 40 indicates the capacity in liters. Before we start, we always consider what clothing is best suited for our hike. We'll be hiking today on a section of the Appalachian Trail in Pennsylvania on a mild spring day. We'll be hiking about 9 miles, and the trail we've chosen is sometimes wet and sometimes rocky. So we've selected hiking boots instead of sneakers, wool blend socks, shorts, sun protective shirts, hats that give shade and sun protection, and sunglasses. We've also added sunblock and lip balm for exposed skin. The backpack gets loaded with these essential items. Extra clothing is a must. The weather can easily change quickly, so pack some additional items like rain gear, warm layers, gloves that will serve in different weather conditions. Nothing tastes so good as snacks enjoyed on the trail. So bring some food that you like, and also bring a trash bag to collect your trash. Take along these items for convenience and safety. We take wipes, bandages, sunblock, and lip balm, bug spray, matches, and a flashlight. They don't weigh much, but you could be very happy to have them. We bring a cell phone for emergency contact and navigation as long as cell service is available. We bring paper maps and a compass in case it isn't. And to make sure that the phone is charged, we bring batteries and cords to charge it and other electronic devices. Since we almost always shoot some video when we head outside, we bring gear like cameras and tripods that can be easily packed or attached to the outside of the backpack. And we try to remember extra batteries, extra cords, extra media, extra cleaning cloths. You get the idea. Bulky items, such as this tripod, can be attached to the outside using straps and gear loops. Trekking poles and walking sticks, which will help you navigate that difficult terrain, can also be attached to the outside of the backpack when not needed. And you definitely need to bring water or some form of hydration. If the backpack is not a hydration pack, you'll need to pack or attach bottled water or bottled drinks. Are you surprised by these items? Bug spray, a flashlight, matches, a pocket knife, and pepper spray. And finally, as a safety precaution, always hike with some identification, and always tell someone where you're hiking and when you plan to be finished. Once packed, you can confidently and safely hit the trail. There's a list of the items we took in the description of this video. And we want to thank Mystery Ranch for supplying the backpack. If this is the backpack for you, you'll find a purchase link in the description of this video also. Use it and we'll receive a commission, which helps support the channel. So thanks. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, why not like and subscribe?